Been a long time coming, but we here now. And we about to set the roof on fire, baby. Uh-oh. You better get yours, cause I'm getting mine.